Club, and we are doing the 6 minutes 100 days drawing challenge, and we're episode number 78.
78?
Yeah, I
Are
think
you
so.
sure?
I think so.
Let's do it. Anyways.
Yeah. And
What are we going to draw today? We are going to learn how to draw Daddy Long Legs from Poppy Playtime Chapter 3. We already did the Mommy Long Legs
and Baby Long Legs.
and Baby Long Legs, and this is going to be a very easy step-by-step drawing of Daddy Long Legs. Let's start. We'll be using a black sketch pen, a white paper, and some colors.
I just don't know. Is that it?
You want to draw it like this?
No.
That would be easier, I guess.
Yeah, but we drew Mommy Long Legs like that.
But we did not get I remember we did not get much space. So let's make the papers this way. Yeah?
Yeah.
And let's start. Let me just check if this is coming in the camera. Yes, it is. Perfect.
Can I just do it on paper? I'm not even sure.
Okay.
Can I use it on paper?
No, you can just use this paper.
Yeah, but
It's okay, let it be. Okay, so what do we start with? The eyes.
obviously the eyes.
As always, the eyes. So we make a small one.
Then a big one. Then another big one.
Okay. Then a big one.
Daddy Long Legs also has a hat.
And yet another one.
Then what? Yeah, I can do that.
Mm-hmm. Very good. Keep making it now. Make one more round.
What?
Yeah.
No.
Now the next would be make a small line over here in the center,
Okay.
and we make his daddy's mustache. Sorry, that would have to.
Is mine okay? Hmm?
Let me see. Okay. Big smiling face showing his teeth.
Maybe this is not Daddy Long Legs.
Why
It's
is that?
Daddy Long Mouth and Legs.
Maybe. If you say so.
Maybe I also don't know. Kind of looks like that.
It did not become the perfect round. You can make it a perfect, better circle if you want.
If you can,
Yes, if you can. The hat.
because making a perfect circle by hand is very difficult. I just wish I had a compass.
That's the face is done. Now the body, which is very easy to do.
Oh no, I didn't have space.
It's okay. Do as much as you can.
I think your legs and the body, but I don't know what's the body, bro. It's kind of sketchy. I'm going to make this to look like that. Have you guys ever played Poppy Playtime Chapter 3?
Have you played Parikshit?
No.
Then why are you doing these drawings?
Because I just know.
Because you want to keep looking for new things to draw and share and learn. Am I right, Parikshit? No?
Yeah. You heard no.
I didn't hear anything, that's what I said. Long hands. Now time for the legs.
This is like a water slide. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Super.
Yeah. Now the last leg. Weird legs and hands, isn't it?
Not weird.
Looks very different.
Yeah, but not scared. Don't say that. Once he'll come in your dreams.
It'll come in your dreams?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna come in your dreams.
Yes, it is.
Okay, we're done with the hands and legs. Let's draw the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now the shoes. That's very easy.
Oh, I actually managed to make it.
Wow.
Oh, one mistake.
What is that?
Then what? Look, the leg is also starting from the body, but not
That's
from
okay. That's okay. Okay, let's finish. Make his bow.
Yeah. I'm starting before you because you always finish before me.
This is done.
Yeah.
And let's quickly get it coloring. What color do we need? I do not have that. Give me Parikshit, please.
No.
Yes. So we'll be using the royal blue color.
Daddy long legs is not all white, okay? Don't remember that.
Sorry.
Top left of the screen.
Okay. Oh,
What?
no, that's okay. We'll be doing using sky blue color, right?
Yeah.
For the body color.
You only need, I guess, 4 colors for this. I remember new daddy long legs. And now. Give me gray. For the set.
This is done. Let's use the yellow color. The gloves. Okay. I left coloring this.
You didn't color the yellow puppies over here.
Yeah, okay, I'll do that. The pink color for the eyes.
It has all the colors. Isn't it?
Yes.
Mommy long legs and daddy long legs and even baby long legs colors in it.
That's why it's the daddy long legs.
Funny, I'm done first.
You can
Look,
So whatever I used to say, now this is your turn to say.
do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel and share your drawings and tell us what to draw next.
Share your
She
drawing
draws
with us
in,
where?
on Facebook,
On Instagram.
Instagram, and
Tag us.
tag us Kids Fun Club and hashtag Kids Fun Club.
Do not forget to hit on the like button.
I already said that.
Again, sir.
Do not forget to hit on the like and subscribe button.
And a comment below.
So
What do you want us to draw next? Also, if you like the drawing,
Yeah.
we'd love to hear from you.
And if you don't want it, you don't like about drawing, see us in the comments.
Yes, if you want us to get better or change something or how we do or something, do let us know.
Yeah.
Now we use the grey color to color the cap. Yes.
Yes.
Wow, lovely. Are you done, Parikshit?
Okay.
Why are you making it dirty?
I'm not making dirty.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm
See, it's looking so bad.
no.
Don't write so many big things. You want to write something over here small.
Why?
Okay, so we are done with this drawing. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you liked it. And do not forget to do what Parikshit asks you to do and write a comment on what did you like about this drawing, what you did not like about this drawing, and what do you want us to draw next. See you in the next video of 6 minutes 100 days challenge. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day.
Wait,
Bye-bye.
please.
Okay, let's wait for Parikshit what he wants to show us. Beautiful.
Mommy long legs plus baby long legs equals to
Daddy long legs. Okay.